Joe says that we are probably already in a recession. And Joe, what do you see to kind of tell you that?
Well, I think I've seen. I think we've all seen a whole lot as far as all this goes. If you go back several months and you think about just the simple fact of inflation, we don't think about it. We talk about inflation all the time, but it doesn't really impact our lives that much, or the people on the show that much. But it impacts the average family in our country. So out of 70% of our country would fall into a middle America type of designation. And you know, at the end of the month, they have trouble. That typical family, and a lot of those are people that I know and their friends, they don't have enough discretionary income to pass that around. That tells me they're already in a recession, regardless of whether or not you have the economic data associated with that.
I mean, because real wages have dropped, too.
Yeah.
It's harder to put those things together. Watching the earnings season, look, right now we're worried about what we're hearing from some of these tech giants in particular, and that's affecting the NASDAQ today. If you have slower growth, that is obviously going to put a hurt on those companies primarily. What do you think of earnings season with the tech companies and then earnings overall? I
think there were a couple of things. First, as far as the tech companies goes, with regard to Google and Microsoft, everybody's well aware by now that if you don't come in where you're supposed to come in, like on the top line, and if you don't come in where you're supposed to come in on the bottom line, you're going to get punished for that. But I think the biggest punishment is the insight that you give people going forward on your earnings call. So if you can't say we've turned the corner and we're going to be okay, then I think the typical investor, you're telling that investor that the trend is going to continue to be negative for you. And I think the market is going to really punish you as far as that goes. As far as overall earnings go, I think for the most part, I thought earnings were coming in reasonably well for a lot of the smaller companies. There were about, I thought 20%, I could be off on that number, actually had beat what the forecast is. But almost every one of those had lowered their forecast. Mm-hmm. So multiples are coming down with regard to that as well. So earnings up until now haven't looked bad, but that's on a much lower forecast. And the bigger companies that are coming in now that are getting hit are getting smacked down by the marketplace.
Already in a recession, but we're going to have a good number on Thursday. And what I think that indicates is the two negative quarters of recession probably didn't indicate that we were in a recession, and this positive number we get on Thursday isn't going to indicate we're not in a recession. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, first of all, it's not always easy to know exactly what you mean because you always deal with at such a high level.
True.
Yeah, you use so many polysyllabic words. I don't even know what they mean half the time.
But you know what I mean?
But yes, I do. So I think with regard to, but you're talking about the economic data, Joe, right?
Yeah.
And kind of what I was talking about. I don't think anybody at this table is in a recession. But the typical family in this country is. Right. I know for a fact. I mean, these are parents, these are families of my players, they're friends that I've had overspent in my lifetime. They're struggling at the end of the month. At the end of the year, they're not taking a vacation.
And you know what else, Joe, is in a recession, maybe even a depression, is retail investing, I think. The business that you revolutionized.
Yeah, I think the actual activity in retail has significantly dropped off. It's clear the average individual investor is absolutely on the bearish side. And some data with regard to that, you guys had Tom Petterfly was on the show the other day, and IBKR, he made it very clear. He says, I don't see anybody even opening accounts. You look at Schwab, their average daily trades today is 5.5 million. Now, that sounds like a big number. When we closed the Schwab TD Ameritrade deal, that was about a year and a half ago, we were doing 8.4 over a year 40%. Ago, 5.5 now. That's a pretty significant down move. And I heard Robinhood the other day said that the most recent month is the worst month that they've ever had. So that's activity.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.